So I'm gonna using a crystal clear from a fusioning. That's all you need. You don't even need any other brush at all. And if you would like to see a lot of different video that how I create with this look, a lot of different fusions or marble look, you can always tuning into one of the IGTV that we have, or Facebook, or YouTube. And basically wherever you want your vein to be, just blending it. So it's really like a simple way when you're doing your fusioning, however you want your. It's just one part of it only. Right. There you go. I'm gonna make the should be matte and sharp look. And now I let it dry, and I am going to using my little shimmery silver gel painting. My chin tip brush.
Yep.
Thank you, Lawyer Mendes. I'm using a shimmering silver, which is the regular gel painting in the pot. All right, and in the meantime, I'm gonna key it too, but before I'm keying it, I am going to using my Premium's iHo transfer foil. And I'm gonna apply it. Key it for 30 seconds. Hi, Whitney. Thank you, Mika. All right. Hi, Sarah. How are you? I need the top coat. The top coat is in the stock, love. Is the top coat in stock.
But yeah, if you currently have stock, do let us know. We'll make sure that we put some more on it.
This is a new foil collection. Missing that part. I didn't rub that. How could I miss that?
Maybe you did. That's fine. Put some crystal on there, cover it.
We just need to light it up. I think this Facebook is so dark, or because the screen that I am at.
No, that one's so fine.
It's so dark. All right, I think when it's missing like this is the problem. I didn't put my foil in there. It's not a big deal. We want to put some crystal placements on this one. Condensed glue gels. This is the first step of our 3-step method. It blends really nicely because it's really thick density, so you might notice that is thicker than you imagine. So we're gonna just blend it out. And I am going this one, the top one. All right, I'm not using it this one. Hey, do I do top coat? It's gonna be your next no wipe top coat. Hey, at least I got it. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm looking for crystal and I forgot the top coat. There's no white top coat. Why did you change the angle of that camera? Because the Facebook been missing a lot of spot.
Nope,
Why is that?
This way, but everything's straight down. So you stay with the logo. Stay with the logo. It's right there.
This logo is so getting in the way. Because it took away from the background for people to watch it. I'm sorry with you. It doesn't. Okay. I don't want to go diagonal. I'm going to do straight. How about that?
Right in the middle.
Okay. So I'm just putting some crystal on this. I'm gonna using some silver. Silver frame. And I need some silver beads. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. I have to be honest with you, is excited to see everyone tuning in.
Bring it up. There you go.
I feel like I'm putting this on away. Not the right one. Take it out. Which is, I do that a lot with my clients. Which is like, if it's something happen like this, don't hesitate to I have it on my side right here because I have full tray of my charms and it's really hard for me to see. I might not find any.
You want most of it?
Not necessary. I got it, but okay, I found that. Hey everyone, just be honest, I'm not going to live with you. This is one of my worst live tutorial that I've been prepared for you. But hey, not because of that I'm not enjoying with you, because it's tip and tricks and it's something that I got and prepare and share with you. It's nothing can be replaced with. So it is from my heart, my love to support every single of you. Just let you know so then you can understand it. And you see, I'm really enjoying it. I just not gonna say, but I love to be tuning in with everyone's every night for live tutorial, because everything is just what I prepare in my mind versus what I get in realistics. Absolutely opposite. However, not because of that I am giving up. I'm still here digging for all my bars so that I can completely fulfill my cute design. Okay, now even like the picker is gonna be bell on me. Is that all of furs? I don't know where does that come from, but I didn't even touch it in my clothes or anything. See, normal things in life, we have a lot that happen in life. If you notice, that is my personal experience. It's happened a lot sometime in life, and you think a lot of things that is make you feel really, first pissed off, second really discouraged, third want to give up. That is normal. That is part of life. So just look at it as a positive. Look, I gonna finish this really cute design right now. Even it's not the best, the design on earth, it can be a worse, but hey, I finished it, you know. What you contribute to my failure earlier, so you wanna make sure you get me a drink later, take me out for date or whatever. I'm not gonna let you get away with that.
Right, just like how my Glitz on, yeah?
Sick. So just a little message. I love you guys so much, and it doesn't stop me from sharing you every night. And hey, if it someday is getting really goofy and crazy like this, because my brain, I think my brains go faster than my body, and I have a zillion before live start. Okay, I have in my brain, it will run probably at least 20 different designs for you. You don't see my face and my eyes when I see a lot of different things I'm pulled out. And he'll look at me like, are you doing all this on a live video? So I think probably it just get that. And then it's hard for me to narrow what I want to show with you. In fact, I want to show everything. So it's okay. Hey, it's not bad, huh? But if it's okay, you can do it better than me. Just show me what you got. I love to see it as well. Okay, it looks different. But also, maybe it can be a trend, though. I don't know.
Let's get it here. Let's keep it.
Okay, here